ABC Kids Learning Class.
Hello kids. Let's have fun with the alphabet today. A is for apple. B is for baby. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.